I think it's kind of a challenging principle, especially when you go with the title Unpunishable. It's kind of challenges our mindset and just the way our culture is into approaching, community in a different way. So I love the idea that we're kind of going for a different approach to building community. We're going to be exploring Danny Silk's book, Unpunishable, and really analyzing like the different paradigms between what we culturally view as like punishment and how to curb behavior, and really looking at like love and restoration as opposed to punishment. In communities, schools, churches, families, just how can we approach things in a loving, restorative way?
One of the parts stood out to me in curbing behavior. Tell us more about that.
Well, I think we approach things like, even in a church setting, right, where somebody falls, we think about, okay, we need to remove them from leadership and we need to apply some sort of punishment for them to be restored or be brought back into ministry. Whereas maybe we can come alongside them and walk them through the process of healing and restoration and keep them still elevated in leadership, but maybe in a different capacity while they're healing from whatever they could have done.
That's good. So it's a real perspective shift.
Yeah. But instead of going and fixing yourself and then coming back to us, it's let's come alongside you and walk through the process of restoration.
Oh, that's so good. It's much more relational.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. And who would you say this class is for?
This class is for people focused on building relational, stronger communities based on love in the family, in the church, and in their personal relationships.
Awesome.
What we're going to try to do is we're going to try to create an environment where we really explore just the different themes and different approaches that Danny Silk has developed towards approaching community and community building. And then we want to build exercises and group discussion where everybody in the class gets engaged in what we're doing so that we can grow and take these things and make them practical tools in our life.
Awesome.
I think it's kind of a challenging principle, especially when you go with the title Unpunishable. It's kind of challenges our mindset and just the way our culture is into approaching, community in a different way. So I love the idea that we're kind of going for a different approach to building community.
Hi, my name is Rachel.
My name is Devon.
And we'd like to invite you to our class Unpunishable starting on Wednesday nights, April 9th.